As a feminine energy, you are extremely divine and magnetic. You are the ideal woman who have the power to restore balance here on the planet. So the more you tap into your femininity, the more you heal your femininity. You restore balance in your small corner of the world. You are doing exactly what it is that God needs you to do to restore balance in your small corner of the world. And I say that because you're not the only woman who is tapping into her femininity. See, femininity has been demonized and suppressed by low vibrational entities who came here to try to take over the planet. And the only way that they could do that is by suppressing the feminine energy. But times have changed, and God is trying to restore balance here on the planet. And the only way balance can be restored on the planet is by you tapping into your feminine energy. But you got to understand that when you tap into this energy, you become more and more magnetic, which means that you're going to get a lot of attention, both good and bad attention. The good attention will come from people who will be inspired by you and turned on by you. And then you're going to also get attention from people who will be extremely threatened and envious of you. Most of this energy will come from other feminine energies who haven't tapped into their feminine energy, or women who refuse to heal. They will be the ones who will try to harvest your energy because they're envious and jealous of you. You are the ideal woman that they want to be, but they don't want to do the work to become you or to become just like you. So they will try to harvest your energy and suck you dry. Okay? This is why you're going to have to take extreme precautions to protect yourself. Make sure that you get your Medusa pendulum. When you tap into that Medusa energy, she will protect you, okay? Because of her magnetic power. When you watch my videos, you're going to see me wear this necklace a lot because it really does protect me from all kinds of envy, hate, and jealousy. All right? You got to understand that you're becoming more and more magnetic. All right? But you got to understand that people will continue to try to demonize you, call you a witch, and say that you're this and say that you're that, because you are brave enough to tap into this energy. But you can't let it stop you. You can't let it block you. You are being protected by Lilith, okay? You bit from the tree of knowledge. So by you doing that, you know exactly who you are and what your purpose is here on the planet. You are living in your divine purpose simply by just healing yourself and tapping into your femininity. But the more you do this, the more magnetic you become, the brighter your aura will shine. You got to understand that the brighter you shine, you're going to blind some people, okay? But it's the people that refuse to look away, even though they don't like what they see. Those are the people that you're going to have to protect yourself from, okay? Do not let them demonize you or dim your light or try to suppress you. Make sure that you go to part 2. And if you would like to book a reading with me, you can join my live stream, or you can book privately by clicking the link in my bio.